আমি খান laga deputy chief minister aro journalism majute ki ulai gina ase to tate moi bi ekta kotha koi dibo koi gina ai gina ase to thik ase direct point de aibo just way back he acted like he owned his Nagaland to thik ase ami khan discuss koribole karni tai laga video tai previous video de tai bra ki koi gina ase journalism lote etu ekbar sai gina discuss koribo
media sei oi kali porso tumi ki laga ami ki le jate aha nai etu ki la kotha koise don't sit here in front of me tumi ki koise media de social media de ana yeda ami yede ki ta pya ha ne kile he being the border minister he being the home minister why he is not visiting your area why you had interview with Molomo no why you are sitting here ami na he I don't want you to have interview with me. Please don't come when I'm here.
Sabi guys, aji moi kambra journalist ke inika happen gura la ami kambra voice out aji gura nai kole to kali bersong ami kan bi siduk pa bole ase de guys. Aro aji voice gura nai kole to pauri jabo aro after few years it same happen gurise kole to ami kan itu same happen deep Mr. Deep Lode happen gura nishina gurise kole to itu ki hobo যদি আজি তো প্লেন্স মানু কে happen gurise to ami kan naga manu nohoile bi outsider kan foreigners kan aigina tai khan lode same happen hoise nohoile bi ami khan lode happen hoise kole to kine hobo itu bra comments kuri sabi itu যদি why pattern to ami khan naga manu lode public lode apologize kuri bi gobo na itu inigai chari bi gobo itu morom bra adnian bi comments kuri sabi that is we elected them to let them serve us hoile bi instead ami khan laga vote prai uthai rakhi gina ami khan nijor prai ami khan public prai tai khan lote bhagwan nishna ram ram gore etu karni ami khan nijor laga Nagaland to corruption hoi jai on 33 de Mr. Deep Sakai tai Sinabadi district de flower festival koi gina tai khan mani thakise to tate ase media tai cover up koribo koi gina jaigen thakia time de gun firing kori gina tai ge kuli duita lagise ekta tu tai la thing de lagise aro ekta tu tai laga arms de lagise lagile doctor said Mr. Deep Sakai is in stable condition ami khan Indian constitution de sai jaise kole to article 19 de likhi gina ase right to freedom of speech koi gina to ami khan freedom of speech koi gina thaki gina ami khan eku guribo na parise kole to ami khan khute moi khan laga rights nijor laga rights bi lobo na parise kole to ami khan ki nimide thaki ase gobor itu bra ami khan public khan sob mili gina voice uthabo aibi khali election time de voice uthaise kole to itu na hoide koi na apni anke request kore ase to nijor brabi sai sabi moi article to yate etia hali dibo ami khan aji voice utha nai gole to kali bersong ami khan eki barbara chance na pabo itu bra ঠিক timing ase ami khan eki lode kuri gina journalism laga right to ki ase aro ami khan freedom of speech ko ami khan laga right to ki ase eki lode uthabo ko gina ami laga short message imani bathai ase to ঠিক আছে apnian judi ami bra kotha phal koi gina thakise kole to like share kor dibi aro subscribe bi kori dibi aro judi kiba apnian lode mon chokom bawole koi gin thakise kole to morom bra maaf rakhi dibi de koi gina imani ses kore ase thank you so much bye bye